Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube. But before we do, make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. Okay, this video, we're talking about business to start with AI today. And right now, we're talking about YouTube channel. Make sure you share this video with all your good friends. I'm going to be going into an excellent specific example just for you. And I'm going to go through the conventional method for how to get your YouTube channel on track. Okay, the first thing we always do is we ask ChatGPT, and we asked, what are the top 10 YouTube monetization niches? All right, just to give you a quick overview. Now, it answered the question, but it did not rank these in order. Gaming, technology, beauty, fashion, cooking, health, wellness, outdoor activities, music, comedy, okay? And I want to show you another page where I found, this is from Vlogger Pro. And this has a little bit more information about niche. And of course, you can do more research to get the exacts, but I just want to give you a quick overview. And here are the search terms: email marketing, insurance, sale house, website hosting. These are the highest paid keywords. And that's going to give you the highest chance to make money because you're going to get paid based on the cost of the ads in that particular niche. So email marketing is more expensive than mortgage or drop shipping. Okay, just give you an example, and this gives you an idea about how the difference in that cost. So how do you find what to talk about in a particular niche? This is where you want to click the link in the description so you can get the free trial for vidIQ. This is what we're going to use to get down to the nitty gritty on these keywords. So I just start off with a high level keyword like email marketing. Okay, of course, you're not going to rank #1 in Google for email marketing. So I just drop it in as a keyword. And what vidIQ is going to do is give you the opportunities in that niche. So here's what you're going to get. Okay, let me open up the window. So here are the matching terms. I can expand this. I sort everything by competition, and I look at the very low and even less than very low keywords. This is where the opportunity lies. These keywords that are not even listed with a difficulty rating, meaning they are lower than the lowest rating, these are the search terms you're going to have the highest chances of ranking for quickly. All right, if I could speak. These search terms you have the highest chance to rank for quickly. All right. So you can just check some of them out. Email marketing, and this is a misspelling. We've talked about that in previous videos. Make sure you check out all the previous videos. We talked about the opportunity that lies in misspelled domain names. You also have opportunities in misspelled keywords. So this is email marketing salation. All right. So you can start going through the list and putting together the video titles or playlists that you are going to start making videos for. Email marketing 101, MailChimp. These are very straightforward, and using vidIQ, it makes it super easy. And so you just go down the list, and you'll just, if you're in the email marketing niche, then you're going to just make as many of these videos that have low to no competition. The competition is rated very low, and the title is related to what you want to talk about. Email marketing, iOS 15. Email marketing, iOS 15. autopilot email marketing. This is a very low with a good amount of search traffic. So you could create multiple versions, multiple videos that talk about autopilot email marketing. And if you are able to get your point across, you have a chance to start generating some search traffic. How to create email marketing on Wix. These are just examples of how you can do it. You can select the keywords that you're interested in, and then you can download them, and then boom, you'll have a list of them to follow up with. Okay, I just want to share with you really quickly how you can start getting the titles so that you can start creating this content. The title obviously is going to give you, it's self-explanatory when you read the title, right? Should I allow my affiliates to do email marketing? Okay, that's the topic, that's the video. So how can you extend that? Well, click the link in the description and you can get vidIQ, the free trial. It also gives you titles and descriptions and scripts for the videos as well. So if you had the keyword, I hate it loses that. Okay, there it is. So if you had these keywords here, you could copy one of these. Email marketing, let's say email marketing 101 MailChimp. Okay, we could copy that, email marketing 101 MailChimp. And we could go over to AI Coach and we can say email marketing MailChimp. Okay. But first I want to say, give me 5 video ideas about email marketing MailChimp. I can hit send. And then right away, you'll have ideas extended off of the keyword. A beginner's guide to setting up MailChimp for email marketing. How to create effective email campaigns with MailChimp. Tips for automating your emails using MailChimp. This is making this process straightforward for you. And all you got to do is just keep going, cover all the topics. Next thing you know, you'll start to get traffic. Now you can add advertising, and that's going to take you, a little bit more strategy. When you subscribe at howwhy.ai, you'll get my email address. So when you have questions, I'll be there to help you out. That's one of the things you'll get when you subscribe. Okay. So nod your head like this if this kind of makes sense for you. What you're trying to do is start with a big keyword that, of course, you're not going to rank for. Website hosting has huge $1 million companies. And so you're not going to rank for these top level keywords right out of the box. So what you have to do is go after what they call the long tail keywords. And I hope this makes sense how I explain how you can do that. Okay, so you can go through that process for all of these different keywords and find opportunities to build an excellent YouTube channel on that foundation, and just create high quality, useful content. All right, now let me jump to another example for you. This first example, I would recommend that you do this using your face like I'm doing right now. But you can also create a YouTube video without your face. And this is the specific example that I'm going to reward you with because you waited this long through the video. So let's talk about it. You can create a faceless YouTube channel. And here's the example. Let's say you focused on business conventions and you created a channel. Let me just quickly give you an overview. Right now in Las Vegas, this is a website that shows all of the business conventions that are headed to Las Vegas. So if I show you right now, this is a high level layout. This is your convention travel YouTube channel. So you could make this channel in the travel niche. Okay. We know the travel niche is popular, but it's highly competitive. So you can find your own niche. And here's how you can do it. So you have a convention travel YouTube channel. Under your channel, you're going to cover the conventions. So here's one convention. The NAHB International Builders Show in Las Vegas. So let's take a look at how you handle that. The NAHB International Builders Show in Las Vegas, that would be the video title or the content section. You can make multiple videos under this title. You're going to talk about the Las Vegas Convention Center, which is hosting the event, right? This information you can find online here. Okay. This is where I'm finding this information. All right. And so, as I lose my place instantly. And so now you have this information, the name of the event, you have the dates, you have the location, and you can create faceless videos talking about the location, talking about the organizers, talking about people who are saying they're attending. You can go through Twitter and find the hashtags. You can find the Instagram posts. And you can create content covering this event as it builds up. You can find events as they are coming up, and you can create content in advance. When you see how many people are attending or are scheduled to attend these events, 68,000, that's a lot of people that are going to be interested in information related to this event. This is where your faceless channel can come into play. And if you stick with this strategy long term, you'll have traffic from previous years, as you'll have already published useful information talking about hotels. Now, you also, one side, you're going to talk about the convention center itself, which is the site of the location, but you can also talk about other hotels in the area, and you can talk about attractions. You can talk about the hotels. You can reuse the hotels' IG lives, tweets, and other Facebook posts. Okay. You can talk about the attractions that the hotel offers, some tours or other sightseeing activities that you can do through the hotel, restaurants that are near the hotel, lounges, and I mentioned excursions. Okay. This is how you can build useful information, package it for the events that are upcoming, and talk about the whole thing and not have your face on the internet like I do right now. So post in the comments if that makes sense. I will go more into depth on this type of an example, but it's really simple. All you're going to do is create a convention, a travel YouTube channel, and each event you're going to make a bunch of YouTube videos, and each video, your whole goal is to help people with useful information related to the event, as if you were going to go yourself. And ultimately, as you grow with this, you could start attending these events, and because you being there on site would add even more value and would increase your viewership. So you can see how once you get this thing rolling, the sky is really the limit. All right. Now, I want to thank you for subscribing at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. When you subscribe, you're going to get the 12 businesses to start with AI today. You'll also get 31 AI apps to use in your business now, and you'll get my email address. So when you have questions, I'll be there to hook you up. All right. I want to thank you for liking this video. If you didn't like this video, make sure you share it with someone who will. Until next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.